So I blink and then I pause until the bottle opens me, and we deceived, and then he falls for just another stupid scheme. Yeah, he perceived that it's his fault, so he felt pointless in his scenes. But all these worthless souls are lost in fight like broken majesty. I felt the cracks in the sky shine down, the permanent now in my toes.